In 2016, the Vote Leave campaign broke UK law by breaching election campaign spending limits. In 2018, advertising by the Victorian Liberal Party impersonated the Independent Australian Electoral Commission. In 2020, the outgoing US President and many political representatives refused to acknowledge the official results of national elections. Then in January 2021, the nation's Capitol building was occupied for the first time in the country's history. On 1st February, Myanmar's military staged a coup, declaring the results of the elections in November invalid. In July, the UK government passed new legislation which effectively makes many forms of peaceful protest prospectively illegal. These are just a few examples of the decline of democracy that we are witnessing almost daily. Even worse, in my view, has been the full frontal assault on science, logic and reason by some major media outlets, influential public figures and political leaders. Wherever you look, the telltale sign that malignant forces are at work is hypocrisy, saying one thing publicly and doing the exact opposite in private as political activists seek to replace long-trusted power structures with new autocratic regimes. In Democracy in Decline, we will stare these forces in the face and explore what we can each do to combat them. Though the subject matter is dark, as always, ESGX Live will be uplifting, down-to-earth and interactive. Register at esgx.org to join our live audience, ask your own questions and contribute your perspectives. Finally, from me, Nigel Lake in New York, and my co-host Paul Herman in San Francisco, a sincere thank you to our ongoing sponsors, Pottinger and Hip Investor. We very much look forward to the discussion.